Hi friends, welcome in the another video. This video is basically regarding the Windows 11 security, how we can secure our system, and most importantly, how we can prevent our system from the hackers. So this video is going to be very interesting. Watch this video till end. If you didn't subscribe my channel, kindly subscribe it as early as possible. So first of all, you have to make sure that your computer should have the good antivirus, and most importantly, Windows 11 has a lot of security features. So if you are not using antivirus, so it's not a big deal because Windows security is more than enough for you. Windows security is more than enough for you because they always provide you all these features, live tracking and virus protection, each and everything. So I have disabled it for some reason, and so you can see that all these settings should be on your computer. And in the modern Windows 11, no need to install any antivirus because Windows 11 provides the built-in security features. So no need to spend a single penny over the third-party tools, and don't download any third-party tool, third-party software. I don't want to take the name of any antivirus, but obviously Windows 11 itself has a good antivirus, and that is more than enough for your security. So apart from this, but the hacking is something different because hacker may attack because antivirus never protect you from the hacking. And so for the hacking, in order to stop the hacking or in order to prevent yourself from the hacking, we need to make sure that our encryption of our laptops are strong, and we are using updated encryption. So how you can check this? And in order to do so, you have to go on to the website. This is a very, very strong tool. Most of the cybersecurity specialists use this tool in order to protect the IT sector, in order to protect the computers, in order to protect the Linux and other operating systems. So you have to type just Nartec ISS onto the Chrome browser, then you will have this website, Nartec software. It is very effective software. It will prevent you from the hacker. So just it is a pretty much lightweight application. Just you need to go on to the download, and then you have to download the GUI version. So once you click it, it will be downloaded instantly. And let me navigate this downloaded file. So we need to double click on it, and yes, and then you will have accept page, most probably. Yeah, accept. And after that, you can see that uh, TLS 1.0 is basically an encryption technique. It is almost expired. Almost means it has been expired basically. So recommended techniques are TLS 1.2 and TLS 1.3. So this is the main entrance of your security. So anybody can attack on your computer. So it is, you have to make sure that your computer should be up to mark. So in order to do so, you can select all these options manually. But apart from this, we have best practices as well. So if we click onto the best practices, so you can see that TLS 1.2 and TLS 1.3, because both techniques are updated one. And earlier you saw that on my computer that all the TLS techniques were selected. That is absolutely vulnerable. Means we have to reduce the vulnerability of our computer. So my computer was the vulnerable, but after applying the best practices settings, and you can see that we have applied the strong encryption techniques. Now my computer is safe enough. So settings are still not applied. Just we need to go on to the apply settings, click reboot, apply settings. Now settings are being applied. So once the system back up, I will. So system has been restarted. Now after that, let me navigate the ISS software again. And if we click onto the download and double click on it, yes, and you will see that all the best practices has already been selected. So Now your computer is secure enough, and it is far, far from the grip of the hackers. So through this way forward, you can save your computer. So Windows has the built-in antivirus application in shape of the Windows security, and just no need to download any third-party software. But obviously, your computer is secure enough through the Windows security. But after that, you need to prevent yourself from the hacker. So keep in mind, cybersecurity is something else, antivirus is something else. So you have to keep distinguish in your mind. So now your computer is secure enough. Hopefully you like this video and seems informative. Hit the bell icon and forward to your family and friends. Stay safe. Bye bye.